This is Bill North of Florida Weekend Warriors, and in this video we're going to discuss the Camco Gen Turi. It's an extension for your exhaust on your RV, and you basically need this when you're at a racetrack or you're boondocking close to someone. It basically takes the exhaust and points it up in the air so you don't get carbon monoxide poisoning. It's supposed to take 98% of it and put it up in the air above your coach. And then also it's supposed to make it quieter. We'll test it later. I have an app that we can test the sound, so stay tuned. Now the one from Camco is kind of pricey. It's $184 on both Camping World and on Amazon. But with Camping World, you can see you get a 10% off coupon if you order it online. But there's one on Amazon that's only $80. It's got really bad reviews. Apparently the plastic melts. And there's a couple people said they had to have their paint job on their coach repaired because it caught on fire and melted the paint on their coach. So I definitely recommend the one from Camco. And the one from Camco also comes with a storage bag. And you can see it's basically just a couple of plastic pipes. And you can actually get an extension for this. And you mount it permanently with that bracket. And if you need to transfer from the coach, because it'll probably get rusted on there after a year or so. But they actually sell a transfer kit to transfer it to another RV. And here's the bag it comes in. It's a very convenient size, and it can fit through one of your pass-through storage compartments. But we usually just take it when we go boondocking. So all you basically do is you mount this bracket on the tailpipe of the generator. Here it is right here. Mine was an exact fit. And all it is a muffler clamp. And all you do is tighten it down. It's gonna be on here permanently. And all you do is make this hole on the very top so you can install it. And if your tailpipe isn't quite the right size, they have a couple of these shims that you can add for smaller pipes, but mine was the exact size. They also give you these brackets to mount on the coach, and it comes with some 3M adhesive. And you can also put a pop rivet in it, but I don't want to drill holes in my fiberglass, so I'm going to do something completely different. I'm going to use some paddleboard suction cups. So to install it, all you do is slide this pipe into that pipe and put the pin through. Now this pin gets extremely hot because the exhaust gas is going right through the middle. So it will be way hotter than the pipe itself. You can touch the pipe, but this pin will be smoking hot. So make sure you let it cool down or wear gloves when you take it off. Just goes on like that. The hardest thing is to get this thing to line up. There it is, that's how easy it is. These straps here go right on the coach. My coach is kind of dirty. We're going to the racetrack. We're going to the Freedom Factory this weekend, so I didn't bother to wash it.
Here comes Hollywood stuntman Chris Farina as he heads towards the net.
Here's those paddleboard suction cups. You can get them off of Amazon. They're pretty cheap. You just put them on the coach like this. And I'll adjust them in a second. But it just goes like this, and it just basically takes the weight off. Like this one needs to be tighter. So, wow, that's on there pretty good. But you can see that just basically is designed to hold the weight off the coach. They just put these pipes on. Like this. And like this. And there we go. I need to adjust this a little tighter. There we go. Nice and secure. So I'll go start the generator up and show you how to tell you if it's working properly. So stand by. So what we're gonna do first is get a tiny little piece of paper, and we're gonna stick it in the bottom of the Venturi tube right in here, and it should suck it up through the tube and come out the top. So when we see it come out of the top of the tube, we'll know it's working. I'm gonna go turn the generator on. Yeah, there it goes, came through. So here's the sound level without the Gen Turi on. It's basically about the same, or maybe 2 decibels lower. That's about it. So it really doesn't make it any quieter. So we hope you like this quick little video. Leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Please subscribe to our channel, Florida Weekend Warriors. See ya.
Path and able to get through and back out on the oval one more time.